Got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Well, this is my entry into the Great Chili Collaboration. Hold on, that's not collaboration. It's, hold on. The Great Chili Construction. No, that's not it either. Hold on. The Great Chili Contradiction. No, that's not it either. I'm gonna phone a friend. Let me see. Here we go. I'll call CJ, see what he says. He knows what it's called. The Great Chili, I can't remember what it's called. I'm kind of late on my entry here.
Me, what's up, brother?
Hey, what's up, brother? Hey, I got a question for you, man. I'm having a hard time trying to think of what this chili thing is. Is it the Great Chili Collaboration, Construction, Contradiction? What is it called?
Man, how many damn times do I need to tell you? You keep calling me, I keep wanting to tell you. It's the Great Chili Confrontation.
Confrontation? What's so confrontation? Brother, what's so confrontational about chili?
It's the beans versus no beans.
Oh.
It's East Coast. West
Oh.
Biggie,
Oh, man.
Angels.
Oh, it's on like Donkey Kong then, man. All right, brother, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. See you, bye. Yeah, bye. Now that I got that clarified, let's do this. The Great Chili Confrontation. Well, guess what, y'all? I'm not gonna be able to help you too much because I like chili with both beans and no beans. But see, the chili I'm making today is actually gonna be my wife's recipe. It's going to be a beef brisket chili. It's gonna contain no beans. It's gonna be keto friendly as well. Let's get into it. And by the way, this video took me 3 days. I'm filming this intro about a week later. And I'm kind of getting this video out sort of late. So anyhow, let's get into it. There's gonna be no more words spoken because when I filmed this, I filmed it at midnight and I really didn't do the taste test until the following day. But anyhow, it still came out wonderful. It still came out great. This is a beef brisket keto chili. No beans.